Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Nerdwallet's credit score tracker. You want to stay on top of your credit health? Here's how to use Nerdwallet's credit score tracker to monitor and improve your score for free. Start by logging into your account at nerdwallet.com, and on the dashboard, look for the section that's labeled credit score, usually front and center. Click on it to open your full credit report dashboard. If this is your first time, you may be asked to provide a few personal details, like your name, date of birth, address, and the last 4 digits of your social security number to securely, pull your score from TransUnion. Once verified, Nerdwallet will show your Vantage Score 3.0 updated weekly. The tracker gives you a visual gauge of your current score, as well as a breakdown of what's happening or hurting your credits, also your full credit report summary, as well as tips on how to raise your score based on your behavior. You'll also find a score history graph to show how your credit has changed over time. And if you want alerts, you can turn on notifications for credit score updates, new account activities, or major changes that impact your report. Monitoring your credit is now simple, automatic, and absolutely free right inside your Nerdwallet account. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more Nerdwallet tutorials that put you in control of your financial future. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.